Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the best team collaboration and communication tools. In this video, we will review workspace messaging and project coordination software that can transform how your team works together. Whether you're managing a small startup or a large enterprise, finding the right collaboration tool is essential for productivity and seamless communication. Before we dive into specific tools, let's understand what features make a collaboration tool truly great. First, instant messaging enables real-time team communication, so your team can stay connected throughout the day. Second, task management helps you organize projects and track deadlines efficiently. Third, seamless integration means the tool works smoothly with your existing software ecosystem. Finally, security and privacy protect your sensitive information and keep your data safe. These four pillars form the foundation of an excellent collaboration platform. Slack is one of the most popular workspace messaging platforms. It organizes conversations into channels, making it easy to separate discussions by topic, project, or team. You can send direct messages and create group chats for quick collaboration. Slack boasts over 1,000 integrations with popular productivity tools, so it connects seamlessly with your existing software. Additionally, Slack's powerful search functionality and message history make it simple to find past conversations and important information whenever you need it. Microsoft Teams is a comprehensive collaboration platform built into the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. One standout feature is built-in video conferencing and screen sharing, allowing face-to-face communication without switching applications. Teams has deep integration with Microsoft 365 applications like Word, Excel, and Outlook, making it ideal for organizations already using Microsoft products. Team channels enable organized file sharing and collaboration. Plus, Teams offers enterprise-grade security features that protect your data and ensure compliance with industry standards. Discord started as a gaming platform, but has evolved into a powerful communication tool for teams of all kinds. Its voice and video channels feature low latency, ensuring crystal-clear conversations. Discord provides text channels with threading, keeping conversations organized and easy to follow. The platform supports screen sharing and live streaming, perfect for presentations and real-time demonstrations. Discord also offers role-based permissions and moderation tools, giving you full control over who can access what and maintaining a professional environment. Asana is a visual project management tool designed for teams that need robust task coordination. It offers multiple views including boards for Kanban-style workflows, timeline view for Gantt charts, and calendar view for deadline tracking. Asana allows you to set task dependencies, ensuring work progresses in the correct order. The platform includes powerful automation features that reduce manual work and save time. Asana also provides portfolio management for large teams and custom templates that help you standardize your workflows across projects. Trello is a simple yet powerful project management tool based on Kanban boards. It uses drag-and-drop cards that move between columns, making task management intuitive and visual. Each card can have labels for categorization, checklists for breaking down work, and due dates for deadline tracking. Trello offers power-ups, which are add-ons that extend functionality for specific needs. The platform provides unlimited boards at affordable pricing, making it perfect for teams of any size looking for a straightforward solution. Monday.com is a flexible work operating system that adapts to any workflow or project type. It provides multiple views of your data including boards for card-based workflows, timeline view for project planning, and calendar view for scheduling. Monday.com includes a powerful automation and workflow builder that streamlines repetitive tasks. The platform excels at resource management and capacity planning, helping you allocate team members efficiently. It's ideal for organizations that need a highly customizable solution that grows with their specific needs. Let's categorize these tools by their primary strengths. The first category is messaging focus, which includes Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Discord. These tools prioritize real-time communication and team connectivity. The second category is task management, which includes Trello and Asana. These tools focus on organizing work and tracking progress. The third category is work operating system, represented by Monday.com. This platform combines messaging, project management, and automation into one unified solution. Understanding these categories helps you choose based on your team's primary needs. When selecting a collaboration tool, consider several key factors. First, evaluate your team size and structure. Smaller teams might prefer simpler tools, while larger organizations may need more advanced features. Second, consider your budget constraints. Some tools offer free plans, while others require paid subscriptions. Third, assess your existing tool ecosystem. Choose a tool that integrates well with software you already use. Finally, identify your specific feature requirements. Does your team need strong project management, instant messaging, video conferencing, or a combination of features? The right tool depends on matching these factors to your team's unique needs.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.